Hello everyone, this is Quick Tips. Today in this video I will show you how to use project curve in Solidworks. We use like this. Go to top plan, active circle, click from this point to this point, active smart dimension, my circle diameter is 15 mm. Exit sketch. After that go to right plan, active center line, click from this point to this point and this point to this point. Make sure this point pairs with the circle. At the smart dimension, make this line length is 5 mm. Make the circle vertical. Now active spline, click from this point to this point to this point to this point to this point and to this point. Active smart dimension, click the center line and this point, make 3 mm. The center line and this point, make 3 mm. See? Get to smart dimension again, click this point to this point, make this 10 2 mm, and this point to this point 2 mm, this point and this point 5 mm, and this point to this point 2 mm. See? Now exit sketch. Go to curve, active project curve. We choose projection type, parameter is sketch on sketch. Click the circle and this sketch. See? And click OK. See? Now active sweep boss, click scroll profile, click the sketch, and my sketch parameter is 1 mm. See? Now you make a part like this. Go to a branch, go to metal, choose gold, click OK. See? Now you make a part, use project curve like this. Then we can also use project curve like this. See? Now I have a part and curve. Now go to curve, active project curve. In projection type, parameter, we choose sketch on face. In this parameter, we click the sketch, and this parameter we click this face. See? And click OK. See? The sketch follows the curve. Now, like this shortcut, choose scroll profile, click the sketch, make curve parameter is 5 mm and click OK. See? Now you make a curve in this tool like this. See? Now you know how to use project curve. Z is quick tips. See ya!